So this chart may seem odd, but this tells us where the 6 trig functions are positive or negative. And it focuses on the first main 3, sine, cosine, and tangent. Because once you know where sine is positive, for instance, you then immediately know where cosecant is positive. Because sine and cosecant are just reciprocals of one another. So if one is positive, the other has to be. If one is negative, the other has to be. So with that in mind, again, this chart may seem a little bit odd, but this is telling us where each of them are positive or negative. ASTC, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. A stands for all. All of the trig functions are positive in quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, S stands for sine. The sine function is positive in quadrant 2, as is its reciprocal, cosecant. Every other trig function is negative in quadrant 2. In quadrant 3, T stands for tangent. Tangent is positive in quadrant 3, as is its reciprocal, cotangent. Every other trig function is negative in quadrant 3. And quadrant 4, C stands for cosine. Cosine is positive in quadrant 4, as is its reciprocal, secant. And every other trig function is negative in quadrant 4. So ASTC. You can memorize it with a bunch of sayings. The one that I prefer is all students take calculus. So A, all positive, S, sine is positive, T, tangent is positive, C, cosine is positive, and then just remember which reciprocals go with each of these cases. So with this in mind, let's say we had the following example where we had sine of theta is less than 0 and cotangent of theta is greater than 0. Let's determine where theta must be, which quadrant. If sine is less than 0, then looking at our chart, ASTC, where is sine positive? It's positive in quadrant 1, where all of them are positive. It's positive in quadrant 2, where only sine is positive. So where is it negative then? The opposite of these two, quadrants 3 and 4. And with that, now we can look at cotangent. Where is cotangent positive? Well, remember, cotangent is just the reciprocal of tangent. So if cotangent's positive, that must mean tangent must be positive. So looking at this, where is tangent positive? It's positive in quadrant 1, where all of the trig functions are positive, and it's positive in quadrant 3, where just tangent is. So quadrants 1 and 3. What's common between each of these cases? Quadrant 3. So theta is in quadrant 3.